Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s equals to 1 over 2 tan t, because if I put this one go in here, we have 1 over 4 tan t square. Number 4, we cancel tan t square plus 1, we change secant of t square, and later that we simplify the square root. ds we have 1 over 2 secant of t square dt, because first derivative of tan t you got about secant of t square. Now I will put this one go in here and here. ds we change by this one. So this one we have 1 over 4 tan t square. Number 4, we cancel tan t square plus 1, we have secant of t square. The square root of secant of t square, you got about secant of t. This one we have 1 over 16, and we have tan t to the power of 4. 1 over 2 divided by 1 over 16, we have number 8. Secant of t with secant of t square, we have secant of t to the power of 3. Now we know that secant of t that is about 1 over cosine t. Now we have the power 3 in here. This one we have sin t to the power of 4 over cosine t to the power of 4. Now we need to simplify 1 over cosine t to the power of 3 on numerator and denominator. And this one will go to numerator. So we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about z equals to sin t. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have dz equal to cosine t dt. So this one we have z to the power of 4 cosine t dt, we change by dz. So this one we can change into z to the power of negative number 4. The integration of this one, we have z to the power of negative number 4 plus 1 over negative number 4 plus 1, and we put about c. So this one we have negative number 3, about z, that is about sin t. About t, that is about this one. So we multiply both sides by number 2, and we have 2s equals to tan t. And now we can find the value of t, that is about arctan of 2s. So I will put this one to change for t. This is the end. Thank you for watching.